Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix trading disabled on MetaTrader 5. First fix you need to try is to check symbols in Market Watch. Open MetaTrader 5 and go to Market Watch. Right click on it, then Symbols. Ensure the instruments like Euro USD, the pairs, are shown and not hidden. And if hidden, select the instrument and click Show. Second fix is to make sure your broker allows trading. Some brokers restrict certain instruments. Confirm that your broker supports Forex, crypto, or CFDs for your account type. And finally, some common causes is if your MetaTrader account is brand new, you cannot trade until you fund it. Deposit the minimum required by your broker, and once deposited, trading will automatically be enabled. Also, if your account has been inactive for 30 days, trading might be disabled. The solution is to contact your broker support team to reactivate your account. Some pro tips: always log in, deposit funds, and place at least one trade within 30 days to keep your account active. And if you're still facing issues after depositing, check your server connection on the bottom right corner of MT5. Go to must show green or red bars and not no connection. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.